Now let us start an activity. Onion peels consist of plant cell. Actually, I have just shown you the diagram of the amoeba. You are just seeing the diagram. This is irregular shape of amoeba. I have discussed on the board. This is the nucleus, food vacuole and cell membrane, and there is no labeling of cytoplasm and pseudopodia. Look at here. This is pseudopodia. This is pseudopodia, pseudopodia. P is silent. This is the false fit. This is the false fit. With the help of this false fit, amoeba move one place to another place in search of food. Now I have through the board I have discussed about the unicellular organism, example bacteria and yeast, multicellular organism, example human beings, cats, horse, ants and many more organisms. Now I am just on the next fourth topic, that is the plant cell. Look at here. This is an activity 1. This is activity 1. Look at here. What is reason? Peel of an onion. Look at here. This is an onion. I have just collected an onion. This is onion. Look at here. Peel of an onion and peel off karte. Look at now peeling the onion. Look at here. Peeling the onion and cut it into 2 parts. Look at here. I just cut the onion into 2 parts. Look at here. Look. And this is the 4th. Again I will cut it into 2 parts. Again look at here. I have cut it into, this is the 1/4 of an onion. Look at here. This is 1/4 of an onion. Whatever we are studying activity, this is the plant cell. This is the cell. Many of the cells. All cells are combined together. Look at here. Red dots are nucleus. All these red dots are nucleus. Isn't it? Each and every cells having a single nucleus. Nucleus, look at here. This is nucleus. Red structure, that is nucleus, just like animal cell. Just like animal cell. This is, I will just draw a single cell. Look at first here. This is the onion. This is the scale leaf. This is a scale leaf. Scale leaves. This is scale leaves of the onion. I will take out one more scale leaves from this onion. This is the scale leaves of the onion. Look at here. This is the scale leaves. I will take out the peels, scales of the, this is the inner part. This is the inner part, concave part, and this is convex part. I will just break this peel like this. Not totally break, just crack. And look at here, inside the, I will crack this peel like this. Look at, I will just cracking the peels and I will take out a very fine membrane. Look at this. This is very fine membrane. Look. This is the fine membrane. Look at. This is very fine membrane. This one. Look at here. This is very fine membrane of the onion leaf. Look at here. This is, whenever you see this part of the onion under the microscope, are you seeing? This is visible. This is transparent. But when we observe this part under the microscope, so we will stain it with safranin. Do you know safranin? Here is written safranin. Look at here. This is safranin. Safranin is a color. Pink color. But when we observe this peels, membrane of the onion, before observing, we will stain this part of the onion. Stain karenge. Stain means color with this safranin. We color this part of onion with this safranin. So this becomes pink color. This will become pink color. And when we observe this part under the microscope, when we will observe this part under the microscope, this is just going to contract. Isn't it? Look at here. This is the, when we observe this part under the microscope, you will observe such a structure, such a type of a structure. Is it clear? This is the membrane I have taken out from the peels of the onion. Scale leaves. Look at here. This is the scale leaf. You will also perform this activity at your home. You will just break this scale leaves of the onion. You will break and take out this membrane. Take out this membrane. Look at here. Look at here. Just see the membrane. See the membrane? See? This is the membrane of the onion. This is the plant cell. This is plant cell. This is plant cell. Look at here. Plant cell. You will observe this plant cell under the microscope. So what will you observe? You will observe such a structure. Such a structure. So I will draw this. I have just picked out one cell from here. I am just taking out one cell from here. Single cell. One cell. I will pick out this cell. This cell from this, and I will draw the diagram. Diagram is look like this. Such way. Diagram will be in such way. Look at here. Look at. This is the such a diagram. No. Little bit mistake. One more diagram. Look at. You will draw like this. You will draw like this. One more membrane, because this is the plant cell. Plant cell having cell wall, isn't it? This is the structure. This is the structure. One more membrane. Very rough diagram. Freehand. You will draw this freehand. And one nucleus in the middle. Fill up of the chromosome nucleus, and just level this part. Level this part. Outer part is the cell wall. In the plant cell, cell wall is present. Cell wall. And second one part is cell membrane, just like animal cell. Cell membrane. Is it clear? Cell membrane. Look at here. Outer layer of the plant cell is cell wall. Inner is the cell membrane, and this one nucleus, isn't it? Nucleus. In plant cell having many vacuoles, just like amoeba, and some liquid, just like animal cell. Liquids are present. What is the name of this liquid? Tell me. This is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. In plant cell there is a vacuole. Vacuole is present in plant cell, but it is absent in animal cell. So I have not labeled the vacuole in animal cell, isn't it? Vacuole is not present in animal cell. This is a rod-like structure, just like mitochondria. Rod-like, one or two rod-like structure are present in the plant cell. This is, what is the rod-like structure? You know, in animal cell, mitochondria. Mitochondria. D-R-I-A. Mitochondria. Is it clear? Is it clear? The shape of the plant cell is not exact the animal cell. This shape was mostly the hexagonal, and one more layer is present outside the cell membrane, that is the cell wall. Cell wall is present in plant cell, and that is absent in animal cell. Vacuole present in plant cell and absent in animal cell. Is it clear? Cell membrane, nucleus, same as a cytoplasm and mitochondria. What is this? So this is the plant cell. This is plant cell. Where it is present in? Onion peel. Onion peel. Is it clear? Diagram is clear? Clear? Any problem? Anybody? You will draw this diagram in your white sheet of your copy, and I will provide you the homework, and you will do the homework and copy, and some picture you have to draw amoeba and the plant cell in your copy, and you will define the unicellular and the multicellular organism. Is it clear? Any problem? I think you have understood कि whatever the ma'am is teaching, this diagram, both the diagram resemble each other. This diagram and this diagram. Here is the millions of cells. Look at here. This is the nucleus. Red round structure, that is nucleus, and here is a nucleus, isn't it? One cell I have just picked from here. I have picked one cell and I have drawn this cell here. You are just observing the cell, isn't it? Shape, always you will draw the shape like this. Oh, look at here, look at here. You will draw the shape like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, little bit mistake, like this, like this, like this, and one more extra cell wall. This is cell wall, cell wall present outside the cell wall, cell membrane, isn't it clear? You will draw this diagram with the help of your video. Now I would like to conclude today's class. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.